Stop wasting hours scrolling through websites to find the right tender for your business. What if AI could hand deliver your top 10 contracts for the day in under 60 seconds? Hi, I'm Ajay. Welcome to What Can AI Do in My Business? In this series, I take real world day to day business operations and automate them using AI to save you hours of manual work. Today, we are going to look at daily tender digest. Right now, business owners spend hours every week scrolling through multiple websites trying to analyze which tenders are actually a good fit. In this video, I will show you how AI can compress hours of searching into less than a minute, delivering you the top most relevant tenders straight to you. All you have to do is just review and apply, and let's get into it. So as you can see on my screen, this is an AI agent which will do the work. Let's give it a try and see how it works. So in practice, it will execute every single day at 6 a.m. in the morning. Right now, I'm running it manually. So it will look for all those available RFPs, filter it out for your use case. In this particular example, I'm using HVAC as a use case just to show you an example, and also limiting it to single website only. So this is how the actual result will look like. It will give you the title, organization who has posted the tender, then category, when it was published, when it is closing, then what keyword did it match on. Here is the direct link which you can open. I can open couple links so that you can have a look. How does it look? For now, I have only limited it to CanadaBuys official website. So practically we can add any website whichever you are using right now. So here you can review the details and apply accordingly. So as you can see that all these are related to HVAC. So this is how this entire agent will work, and you can see that it can save you hours of time already, because the whole execution period is less than a minute, and you don't have to spend hours anymore in your tender research, because everything is done for you by the time you even start your day. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.